Hey there, I'm Kitty Robinson and welcome to our full house of fun. I have a really great math game I want to show you today. I got all of the materials for this from RightStartMath.com. They have some of the best math games ever. But these are cards you can purchase from them on their website, RightStartMath.com. The link is below, or you can make these yourself. So whatever works for you. If you want to put this game into play today, go ahead and get out some index cards and you can make these yourself. So what you're going to need is a deck of basic number cards. These are cards that range in number from 0 to 10. You do not need the zeros. You can pull them out of the deck, and you could use just a deck of regular cards, maybe mix two decks together if you wanted. Use the aces to tens, okay? And then you're going to need some chips or coins, something. You can use like blue and white poker chips. It just needs to be, you can use blue and red pieces of construction paper, just something that the two different teams can use to mark their victories in this game. You'll see what I mean in a minute, but today we're using dimes and pennies, okay? And then you need these sets of cards. You can make these, like I said, or you can buy them from RightStart. They do a nice job with this set. As you can see, ours are well used, and that's why I'm making these videos, because we have found these math games to be so successful for our family and for our learning process. So what each of these envelopes holds, well, let me show you this first. On the front of the envelope are the skip counting numbers. Like this one is 5, so you have 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth. The square number has a square around it. These are 1s. Here are 3s. They all have the corresponding skip counting numbers on them. And then the cards inside the envelope, so here's the 5s envelope, and then these are the cards that are inside of it. It has all the, can you see these on here? It has the 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way up to 50. So it goes up to the times 10 multiple. Okay, now you can use these cards for lots of different things. I'll try to make some videos showing you some variations, but today I'm going to show you the game Who's on Top. It's one of our all-time favorites. We have worn this game out, and I'm going to get Weston in here to play with me, okay? Weston! You can cut it there.
What are we playing?
We're playing Who's on Top.
Yes, I love this game.
All right, so here's our setup. You do not have to set it up this way, but to me, this is the easiest way for the kids to visually see what we're doing. It's basically set up as an equation. So on the back of my 6 envelope, look at this thing, so worn out. It has 6 times, I've written that on there. I think I've done that on almost all my envelopes. So 6 times something, and then I just got a little scrap piece of paper here I keep in the envelope. It says equals. So 6 times something equals, and then here are our products, okay? Weston is dimes, I'm pennies. So we're ready to go. Weston, you can go first. Nice. Okay. Oh, Weston, tell us how old you are real quick.
10.
Okay, all right, go ahead. I asked the kids when they flip the card to say the equation. So he's going to say 6 times 6
equals 36.
Okay? So he's going to find that answer here. We're playing at the beginner level here. Weston doesn't need the beginner level, but I wanted to show you this. This is with all the multiples in order. That makes it easier so that if he's just learning how to do this, he can actually count the cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come up with the product that way. I would encourage that when they're first learning multiplication. You can really play this with children who aren't even doing multiplication yet with that. But over time, playing the game, saying the equation, they're going to get the hang of it. So the more advanced way would be to mix up the cards. And so we'll go ahead and do that now that I've shown you that, because Weston can handle that. He's a 4th grader. All right, so 6 times 6 equals 36. So he gets a dime on there. Now I go. 6 times 10 equals 60. So I put that on here. Okay, Weston?
6 times 5 is 30.
All right. So the object of the game is for us to get all of these product cards covered with our little coins, and the one who has the most coins on top wins, okay? And so we'll show you how the game can kind of go back and forth. It really gets on the line for a little bit. All right, is it my turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 6 times 9 equals 54. So I'm going to put a penny on there. Your turn.
Okay. 6 times 8 equals...
6 times 8 is, remember our little round of that?
48.
48, good. Another option for your kids, if you have them mixed up, is to have the envelope turned over so that they can use this to help them if they're working on multiples that are a little challenging for them. But Weston's not getting that today. Oh, no, he's not. All right, so here we go. Weston's winning. He has 3 coins on, and I have 2. But the game is about to turn because I've got 6 times 6. Now, if you remember, Weston got that earlier in the game. That was 36. But now, look who's on top. Hence the name of the game, Who's on Top. Mama's on top, and now I've just taken the lead, 3-2. Your turn, Weston.
6 times 1 is 6.
All right. Game is tied. 6 times 10 is 60. And this is where it doesn't look so good for me because I already have 60 covered. It's basically like losing a turn. So on to you, Weston.
6 times 9 is 54.
Nice job. Except we're a little competitive in this family. He's covering my penny. So 4-2. You get the idea here. We'll try to speed it up a little bit. 6 times 7 is 42.
6 times 3, 18.
All right. 6 times 7 is 42. I got it. Kind of lost a turn. Your turn, buddy.
6 times 8 is
6 times 8 is
48.
good.
And I
All
already
right,
have that.
he already has it. Good. 6 times 7 is 42. I already have that.
6 times 8 is 42.
Yeah.
Or 48.
48. All right. 6 times 4 is 24. All right. Now it is 5-4, and we have 1 card left. So one of us is going to need to get a 2.
6 times
Weston
2.
got it. Okay. Good job,
That's 12.
Weston. So if you look here, Weston wins. Dimes are up on, they're on top on 5 of them. Pennies are 4. Weston wins. Nice job. Actually, Weston won 6-4. Good game. Hope you guys enjoy this game and check out RightStart Math for all the materials, or just make it on at home. And from our full house to yours, we wish you lots of learning fun.